I got some drugstore makeup here we're gonna go over, and yes, I'm talking in my videos now because I want to try it. If you don't follow me on YouTube, which you should, you don't get to see my personality, so I'm gonna start talking. Milani Bright Side Illuminating Primer. Oh, it's like got a glow to it. The Neutrogena Matte CC Cream. And here we go, I'm putting matte over that glow, but I like CC creams. I like tinted moisturizers in the summertime, and you have an even toned, and it's not heavy like foundation would be, which is why I like that. From NYX, this is a Wander Stick. That looks a little glowy, right? But then you got the dark side. Let's just check it out. See how well it blends. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna do the other stick at the same time. This is their same NYX Wander Stick Blush. I would say one is more pink, one is more rose. I will be using the darker color, not that much darker. Let's see how well this blends in. Okay, I think they look really nice. I'm not using a concealer, so you can't see like my sunspots. You have to use concealer to cover that up. I just don't feel like using all the makeup, but I like the way this looks. I'm not done because I saw that I had to pick it up. This is Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the color bronzer. I could smell this all day. I totally forgot about the smell. I totally forgot. It smells like butter. Okay, I love that. We'll try this Maybelline Express Brows. I like when the pencil is nice and small. Love this. I'm going in with my Milani, because you gotta tell me if you like it better if I talk during my videos or not. I never usually talk during the shorts. I only talk obviously during my long ones. This is from Revolution. Nice and small, which means it's probably easy to use. Super Flick Eyeliner is what it's called, because you can really do a nice flick with this. At my age, I don't really do that many flicks, but I like to get really deep in there, and this does that perfectly because of the shape. I didn't purchase a new one, but I've had this for the last couple months, and I love it. It's Milani Highly Rated Tubing Mascara. I did a video on this because I was like, what's tubing mascara? But it's pretty cool. It literally like wraps tubes literally around your eyelashes, and you see them when you wash your face off, and it says you only need warm water, which is kind of true. Using a Milani lip liner, and of course, my Milani. Literally my favorite. Okay, here is my makeup look of drugstore makeup. You could save money. Mix it up with your expensive. I'll mix my expensive makeup up with my drugstore makeup. Okay, I'll put the link in the comments for my Amazon store where you can find all of these items, hopefully. I'm gonna go check.